How to export SketchWow to PowerPoint. Open your project in SketchWow and carefully select the full canvas or specific page you want to export for use in PowerPoint slides. From the top menu, click File and choose Export to display all available export options and supported file formats. Select PNG for normal static slides, SVG for high-quality scalable graphics, or GIF if your design contains animation. Adjust the export size or resolution according to your slide needs, then export and save the file on your device. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and create a new presentation or open an existing presentation where you want to add content. Go to the Insert menu, select Pictures, browse your device, and insert the exported SketchWow file into the slide. Resize, align, and position the content properly, then repeat the same steps for other SketchWow pages if needed. Thanks for watching.